everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your controller isn't working in Dying Light the Beast on PC, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few proven solutions step by step so you can get back into the game. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open Steam. Go to your library and right-click Dying Light the Beast. Select Properties from the context menu. On the left-hand side, click on the Controller tab. Find the Override for Dying Light the Beast drop-down menu and select Enable Steam Input. Now, launch the game and check if your controller works. If it doesn't, go back to the same drop-down and select Disable Steam Input, then try again. Solution 2. In Steam, click on the Settings menu. Go to the Controller section. Here's what you should do. If you're using an Xbox controller, enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. You can also try disabling it if it doesn't work. For PlayStation controllers, toggle PlayStation controller support. Try disabling it first, and if that doesn't work, enable it for games without native support. The same applies if you're using a Switch controller or a generic controller. If you're on Xbox, you can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver for better compatibility. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Human Interface Devices. Locate your Gamepad. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Then right-click it again and select Enable Device. This quick refresh can often get your controller working again. Solution 4. In Device Manager, right-click your Gamepad again. Select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your Gamepad driver and press Next. Wait for the driver to be installed. Then, relaunch Dying Light the Beast and test your controller. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your controller not working in Dying Light the Beast on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment to let me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.